Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're going to show you how to beat any weather conditions with the Tusk Zipperless Upper Doors for the Kawasaki KRX 1000. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today I want to show you one of my personal favorite UTV accessories from Tusk, which are these zipperless upper doors. And today we've got them on this Kawasaki KRX 1000. If you're looking for a way to beat any weather conditions that Mother Nature can throw at you, whether it's hot and dusty, it's cold and windy, you've got to get these doors. When you combine these with a front windshield, a roof, and a rear window, you can essentially fully enclose the cab, and it offers a ton of comfort for the driver and the passengers. You know, here in Utah during the winter months, it gets cold, and I've driven with these installed from my own experience, going 50 miles an hour, and I stay warm and comfortable the entire time. I hardly have any breeze coming through into the cab, so it is awesome for that. Or maybe it's hot, it's dry and dusty, and you just want to try and keep some of that dust out of the cab. These are awesome for those conditions as well. And what's great about these doors is the install process is pretty dang simple. You've got these filler panels here that go up and around the frame. So once you get these installed, then you just go and you install the door. But what's awesome about this setup is, like the name says, it is zipperless. So there's no zippers you ever have to worry about not working or possibly breaking. Instead, you have magnets up here along the top and a couple on the door, and then you have these snaps down here along the bottom. And what's great about this setup is, one, it makes it very easy to get in and out of your side-by-side. If I want to get into this KRX, I can just take up here in the corner, press it down, I can get in, and then it is that easy to lift the door back up and get it in place, and you're ready to start riding. So it makes it very convenient for that reason. Also, what's great too is that there might be conditions where maybe you don't want the doors installed. Maybe you want to get as much air into the cab as you can. So what you can do is simply just take this whole thing off, and we actually include a bag that will come included that you can put these in. So when you're not using them, you put it in that bag, and then when you want them again, take them out, you put these back on, and like you just saw, it is simple to do. You do have a couple of Velcro straps here in the front. You've got your Velcro that goes around the mirror. Now the outer part of this door is made from a heavy duty canvas, and you have your vinyl window. What's nice also is that over time, yeah, these can get beat up, so we made it to where you can replace just this vinyl window and the canvas. You don't have to worry about replacing those filler panels, so you can replace those when needed, and it saves you a lot of money. So again, if you have a KRX 1000 and you've been looking to enclose your cab, get a little bit more comfort, and beat Mother Nature, this is by far, I think, one of the best ways to do it. If you have questions or comments, we would love to get those answered for you, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. And to grab some today, it is simple. Click on the link, or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as I mentioned, we have a lot of great Tusk accessories for the KRX 1000, so if you still haven't yet gotten, say, a full glass windshield or a roof or a rear window, we have all those products that you can pick up as well when you're getting your zipperless upper doors. Orders over $75 ship free. If you like this video, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Also, keep in mind these are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, just make sure you enter the year, make, and model on the product page, and you're going to be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.